For the moment, at technical level and technical assistance falls under this. As I said, there's a next meeting to discuss and take stock of the situation, and also hear from the Moldovan side later this week. So we will probably be able to give a bit more details as we get a better assessment of exactly what the impact of this cut-off has been in its entirety. Well, yes, confirming that the transit agreement via Ukraine indeed ended on the 31st of December. It happened as was expected. We have been working intensely for over a year with our member states and with Ukraine as well to prepare in advance for this scenario. So and the following will also address your question on the security supply to Slovakia. There was a extraordinary gas coordination group that met last week to take stock of the consequences of this end of the transit agreement. And they concluded that there are no security supply issues or concerns for the European Union following this transit or the end of the transit. As regards prices, the markets had already factored in the end of the transit agreement, and we have not seen price spikes in the new year. I would also want to add that, yes, with the caveat that we are not a market actor, the Commission as such, we're not selling, we're not buying, but the market fundamentals remain stable. Demand remains subdued at around 18% compared to the pre-crisis levels, and storage levels are above pre-crisis level as well. And then, of course, an important factor that adds to this is that we have deployed record levels of renewables in Europe. But, of course, with, again, a caveat that we are entering the coldest months of the year. Obviously, we are keeping a close eye with our member states to monitor the situation on the prices as well.
Thank you.